Hello everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script are going to study the new lesson. The phrases topic talk about weather in the US and Canada. Weather in the US and Canada. In ลาว is mean the สภาพอากาศอยู่สหรัฐอเมริกาและแคนาดาสภาพอากาศอยู่สหรัฐอเมริกา and Canada. From the picture, some students they have known already, have studied before. If this video, this lesson has the new one, is for you new lesson. It has the old one as I review the old lesson for you. Are you ready? If you are ready, let us go and see the detail of this lesson in this video and this script. Let us go now and predict together. Student need ask the question first. How many seasons are there? How many seasons are there? In ลาวมีจักฤดู You can see from the picture on the left hand and on the left hand and right hand. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like spring, summer, autumn, winter, like this. Next, to the meet will answer or say, there are 4 seasons. Or they are 4 seasons. In ลาวมี4ฤดู like I have said that. Next, start from winter. In ลาวฤดูหนาว you can see from the arrow point to now, both on the left and right hand. Next, spring. In ลาวฤดูใบไม้ปง You can see from the arrow point to now. Next, summer. In ลาวฤดูร้อน Now the arrow it has moved to the new picture. You can see from the arrow point to now. Next, this has toward fall or autumn. Like this. In ลาวฤดูใบไม้หล่น You can see from the picture I give 2 words, add more 1 word like for autumn. For autumn. The arrow point to now. Next, I marked this simple sentence to be dark green. Why not start from the winter first? It is winter. In ลาวมันแม่นฤดูหนาว You see from the picture. So how the weather feel? In winter? You see. Next, in the winter, it is snowing. Right? In the winter. In ลาวหิมะกำลังตก In the winter. And what else? Next, it is very cold. In ลาวมันเย็นหลาย In the winter. Right? Next is change to the new season. It means it is spring. In ลาวมันแม่นฤดูใบไม้ปง You can see from the picture it has changed to the spring. What the spring like? Let's go and see the detail. First sentence, it is raining. In the spring, ฝนกำลังตก in the spring season. Next, it is warm it is warm in the spring season the weather like กินแล้วมันอบอุ่นมันอบอุ่น next is change to the new season it is summer it is summer กินแล้วมันแมนละดูฮ้อนมันแมนละดูฮ้อน so summer what the weather like yes you can see next the first it is very sunny it is very sunny กินแล้วมีแดดจัดหลายมีแดดจัดหลาย right next it is very hot it is very hot มันฮ้อนหลายมันฮ้อนหลาย and I still give the phrases for very hot ways to say is very hot it has 5 ways like the first is a real temperature number 2 is boiling hot number 3 we are having a heat wave number 4 is like a mass outside as number 5 we are in a dark days of summer like this we can say okay next is very humid it is very humid กินแล้วมันมีความซุ่มซื่นหลายมันมีความซุ่มซื่นหลาย like you see from the forest waterfall like this next we change to the new season the last seasons I just use only one word it still has autumn but I find or write only fall read together it is fall it is fall กินแล้วมันแมนฤดูใบไม้หล่นมันแมนฤดูใบไม้หล่น the leaf fall down from the tree from the branch of tree full of the fruit like this one what the weather like the fall season that I see the detail the first it is cool it is cool กินแล้วมันเย็น next it is cloudy it is cloudy กินแล้วมันมีเมฆ you can see from the picture it has the cloudy in the sky next it is windy it is windy กินแล้วลมแห้ง you can see from the tree and from the people who has holding the umbrella has turned down to another way why not windy right next so next the last thank you very much for all of you follow all of my videos to encourage me create the new lesson for you thank you